A lot of people have been asking, how do I add Solana on Metamask? Now, in today's video, I want to tell you that Solana is not an EVM blockchain, so therefore you cannot add Solana on Metamask. Currently, Metamask only supports EVM blockchain. Now, what is EVM? EVM simply means Ethereum virtual machine. So Solana is not an EVM blockchain, so you cannot add Solana on Metamask. But in today's video, I'm about to show you how to add Solana on a wallet called Phantom Wallet, so you can actually use Solana network to do whatever you want to do. Now, before we get straight into the video, please, I want you to do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. All right, for you to be able to do this, you need to go to a website called Phantom. Now, this is the website right there. You can see phantom.app. You can actually go on Google and type phantom.app. The first link there, that is what you will click. Like I said, Solana is not an EVM blockchain. For you to see example of different EVM blockchains, you can go to a website called chainlist.org. You can see chainlink.org up here. You can see helping users connect to EVM networks. Now, these are so many EVM networks. You can type it by network. You can actually scroll down to see so many EVM blocks. You can see all of them listed right there. But Solana is not among. For you to be able to use Solana network, you need to install this application called Phantom. So let me do it with you. So let me click on download. I'm actually installing it on my desktop. Let me scroll down. You can see. So this is the supported browsers. You can see Firefox, Chrome, you can see Brave, Edge, but in this video I'm using Chrome. So let me go and click on Chrome. So you can see how simple it is. So you can actually do this from, from your browser, any of the browser that you're using. If you have actually connected MetaMask before, this is so simple. Just click on Add to Chrome. You can see the way I'm doing it. Just click on Add extension. You can see the way I'm doing it. Very simple. All right, I just finished downloading this Phantom wallet. You can see I just click on Add to Chrome and I just finished downloading it. Now you can click on this box right here. You can see this arrow right here. Just click on it. This thing that looks like a puzzle. You can see the Phantom. This is the Phantom extension. Just pin it. If you pin it, it will be. You can see where it just appeared. It will be on the top right side of your browser, so you can easily access Solana network or Phantom wallet anytime you want. Then you have two options here where you can actually create a new wallet or to import already existing wallet. If you already have existing Phantom wallet, this is where you click this option. If you click on it, then you have to add the phrase key. So these are the options: import secret recovery phrase, import private key, connect hardware wallet. These are the things you can actually do. So some people, you can the one that is much popular is to import recovery phrase. This is just click on it and you type in the recovery phrase word here. Once you type in those words, just click on import. You're done. You can see either 24 or 12 word, any one of your choice. But in this video, I just want to show you how to create a new wallet. So we just have to click on create a new wallet. So we just have to give our wallet a name or a password. So let me use 12345 6. This is just for the purpose of this video. 12345 6. So I'm not going to even use it, so you don't need to bother. Password must be characters. Okay. All right. So let me use the name of this YouTube channel for this. Deep Tutors. I'm actually using the name of this YouTube channel. So let's click on it. All right, so this is the 12 recovery phrase right there, and you can actually save this thing. If someone have access to this, obviously they can access your money whether you put password or not. I see a lot of people, having password, thinking that the only thing you need to secure your cryptocurrency in decentralized wallet is just a password. The person doesn't even need a password. All the person needs is your recovery phrase, whether 12 of them or 24 of them, depending. Now, this is your recovery phrase. All you need to do is to save it. You can see what they said here, recovery phrase. This phrase is only way to recover your wallet. Do not share it with anyone. This is the warning sign, and you can see save my secret recovery phrase. So you have already saved. If you have already saved, just click on it and click on continue. They will ask you to test. Okay, they didn't ask me. Sometimes they'll ask you to put some words. Some wallets can ask you to put some words to really confirm that you have actually saved the wallet or this recovery phrase. So just click on get started. So you can see we have successfully created it. This is it. Just click on top here. This is our wallet here. These are some security questions or terms and conditions or what they do. Welcome to Bitcoin. You can see these are the things they do in Phantom. Just click on I understood. So this is your Phantom wallet right here. But your Phantom wallet, you can actually use it to receive Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon. You can see these are the different network it supports. So MetaMask does not support Solana network because Solana is not an EVM blockchain. But in this video, you are back to interact with Solana. All you need to do is just to click on Solana. If you click on Solana, then you click on receive because you want to receive a cryptocurrency because you don't have anyone to send out. You can see you have from this video I have zero, so just click on receive. Now this is your wallet address right here. You just copy your wallet address and go to any centralized exchange of your choice, whether Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, BitGet, any of them you're using. Just put in your wallet there and withdraw Solana using the Solana network. Remember, using the Solana network. If you use another wallet, if you use another network, it might not go or it will bounce off, or even if it goes, you have lost your crypto. So you have to use Solana network, and Solana network is called Sol. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is how to add Solana network on Phantom. Remember what I said, you cannot add Solana network on MetaMask because why? Solana is not an EVM blockchain. Thank you for watching the video. If you got value, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to this YouTube video. See you in another video.